Guest by Sophia. There's an ant on the toilet. Oh, what do I do? Mama said to go pee-pee, but there's an ant on the seat. Oh, what do I do? Should I go first? Or does the ant have rights too? Oh, what can I do? Oh, what do I do? Is the ant a true friend or simply a guest? Oh my, what should I do? I waited and counted until 22. The ant said, Mama said to go. I said, my mama said that too. So she went, then I went. Finis.